Welcome to Myla's Cooking Show. I'm Myla. I love Disneyland. What I love most about Disneyland is the Cheerios. So today, we're gonna make the Cheerios. First, you need a saucepan. Now, add 1 cup of water. There we go. Add 1 stick of butter. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now heat our medium and bring it to a boil. While waiting for that to boil, we're going to use my favorite ingredient, sugar, and make a sugar cinnamon blend. Pour the sugar in the cup. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it together. Once it's boiling, add the flour and stir vigorously. Once it's ball, we'll remove the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. While that's cooling, we need to heat the oil. Add 1.5 cups of oil to a large skillet. Heat to 350 degrees. Add eggs one at a time and stir until combined. Now we're going to do that 3 times.
Then, boom.
Spoon dough in the packing bag. Dough in the frying pan and the frying golden brown. Once they're golden brown, remove them. Now, add some sugar. Then you stir over your butter. I hope you like the Cheerio video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. Bye.